Hello viewers, this is Emil. Today I'm going to show you how to export EMIS data of which you previously uploaded on the website, either by use of Excel sheet or by uploading directly onto the web portal. So let's open our browser. Open your browser. You can even open on your phone. This system is so flexible, it can apply on all gadgets as long as you have the right internet browser. So you're going to type in EMIS. So when you type in EMIS, click on this link. Click on that link to open. So you log in into your account. So you type in the login details, email, and the password. So you click sign in. So we are going to our page onto the EMIS portal. So here we are. So these are the learners you have uploaded. Assuming you want to check whether they have been assigned lane, so we shall go to the option for learners. Click on learners. Click on view learners. Click on view learners. So you have all the details of the learners and their lanes. So these are all the details about what you have uploaded. So we have an option for export here. So we have export option. This option, it can be useful when you want to check the students that have been successfully uploaded and been assigned the lane, that is the learner's identification number. So you click on export. So when you click on export, you have this message: success export has started. We will notify you via your email account. So we shall go and check into our email address whether this file has reached already in our email. So we shall go to email address. So you can log into your email address. So I'm going to use this. So we shall click into the email account. So here it is. Then you just head here. You click on Gmail. So we are going into the message section. So when you click, you have all the messages here. As you can see, EMIS learners export file, it has been exported successfully. So we need to download this before we can view the learners. So you click on that option, you open the message. So you have a download file here option. So you click download. So when you click download, a file will start to download. Here it is. So you check on your taskbar down there. You have this file which is being downloaded. So you just open. You can either open straight away or you can open the location of the file. So just tap on the downloaded file to open and see whether the file has been downloaded. Okay, so you can see our file has been successfully exported and we have been able to download all the successfully uploaded learners. So here we have the lanes and their names plus their details here. So this is the most important part. This one, this number here. So this is the number that you have to use when you're doing your continuous assessments. So this is how you export EMIS data from the web portal into your email account, and then finally you download and see whether the learner has been given the lane. You can confirm. You have to go through all these names to confirm whether you have all the learners there. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Smil. Please don't forget to subscribe.